What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bevonity, and I'm back with another video. Well, as y'all can see, I didn't even get no intro. I just started doing my hair. Anyways, today I will be doing a wig install. Right now, I'm just drying the spray that I sprayed. I didn't use Gatsby. I used that over there in the corner. I'm going to pause it and then just show y'all what I use. But I sprayed that and make sure, dang, I'm going so fast. I sprayed that, then I added the Ghost Bond glue. I'm trying to lay this cap as flat as possible because the past experience I've had, they never lay right. So this time I'm using both because this not lifting today. Now I'm taking my blow dryer, put that elastic band on, baby, because you already know, like I said, trying to lay this. Now I'm putting makeup on my wig, to blend with my skin complexion. Yeah. Now I'm just cutting the cap off. I'm trying to cut as much as possible, trying to get as closest to my edges as I can. Now we taking some makeup to blend. Yeah, y'all see that? It's blending. Take some makeup powder, I guess you call it like press powder or whatever. You just take that and just dab it on your cap so it can blend in with your face complexion, your skin complexion. Okay, so your baby added 3 layers of Ghost Bond glue because I went to a concert like 2 days later and I'm like, this wig got to be on for a minute. I don't want it sliding and gliding, all that. Because y'all know how it is in the summer anyway. So I did 3 layers this time. I think last time I did 2. I'm not sure, but all I know is that I did 3. So in this next clip, I just laid it down. I didn't do it on camera because I had to look in the mirror to do it, y'all. It's not easy doing everything on camera. I had to look in the mirror. As y'all can see, I'm finna get up talking about, hold up, girl. Yeah, so I just laid that boy back. And you did something right if your eyebrows look arched. I mean, come on. Y'all see my eyebrows. Y'all see how my face looks snatched. Just look at me. Look, I'm trying to move it because it feels so snatched. Like, you know how when you was little, your mom did your ponytail real tight and your eyebrows, she put your whole face back. That's how it felt. And that's what you wanted to feel like. So, you're doing something right. As y'all can see, I cut the lace off camera again. I'm sorry. Now I'm just adding makeup. The same press powder that I used to put inside of the wig. Now I'm just using that to blend it. As you can see, it's working. It's working miracles. It looks like scalp, babe. I didn't even want to touch after this. Like, honestly, I'm like, I don't even need edges. Just look how good this look. And this is the final result. I don't know why I decided to record this in portrait mode, but I forgot to do it in landscape, for YouTube. But anyways, y'all see me, y'all see the edges, cute. But the way I did my edges, I just took my mini flat iron, just curled it and just swooped it with some Gatsby. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness.